I did see on Reddit recently somebody asked a question and showed a picture, what's wrong with my print, and it was sort of a similar thing. It was a much bigger patch, and it was much uglier than that. Um, but and there were various answers, and my first thought was it kind of looks like Z offset too low, but on the other hand, it didn't seem like it was just ridged. It was also somewhat peeled. It was also somewhat lifted slightly off of the bed with some sort of voids showing, and that indicated to me that it's probably different than a Z offset issue in that case. And some of the answers corroborated that it's probably contamination on the bed and clean the bed. And I saw one good point. I don't remember who posted it, but that sometimes alcohol may not get all the grunge off that you would hope or you would think maybe would, and that dish soap and scrub it good and then alcohol. And that really made sense to me. So that may be the way to go. So I suspect that that's just I need to clean my bed because the rest of it looks very clean from what I can tell here. Tough to say. I have my phone out at arm's length. I'm standing behind a tripod with another camera that's streaming live that I'm totally dissing right now because I have my camera in front of that, totally blocking its view. But hey, it's my stream anyway, so who cares? So that's my judgment call. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna stand here for this whole thing because it's probably got. Let's see what it says. It's got. I can't even read it from here. Maybe I can read it with the phone. I can't tell. I can't tell what that says. 16 minutes down. 15 minutes to go. I likely will not stand here for another 15 minutes. If I do, my shoulder muscles are going to be jacked because it's already tired. But anyway, we'll see how this comes out, and we'll revisit it in a bit.